Hi, Todd Ward here in the Forecast Center with a look at a very week ahead here for the Arklatex. That is not the case today as we look at the camper in downtown Marshall. You can see lots of sunshine there. Temperatures today in spots will flirt with 90 degrees before another disturbance moves into the middle part of the country. Here's a look at the overall pattern across the country right now. And again, we are in between disturbances across the Arklatex today as we do have a system. This is the disturbance which brought us the thunderstorms last night, now doing the same for the southeastern sections of the country. You can see another disturbance which is moving into and through the Pacific Northwest. This is going to move into the upper Midwest, and once again, we're looking at a rather widespread area of severe weather potential across the middle part of the country, which does include the Arklatex. Latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center indicates that we do have here in our area basically a moderate to a pretty good variation in threat. Again, a moderate level 4 threat, meaning we could be looking at some widespread severe weather issues over the northern edge of the Arklatex. And as you move south, that threat does decrease to marginal. So again, the northern sections of the Arklatex will see the brunt of our severe weather threat for your basically Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. Here's the latest from Robin Starry to Futurecast, and you can see that as we progress our way through the nighttime hours tonight, we will see the clouds begin to increase later on tonight after midnight. Tomorrow looking mostly cloudy during the afternoon. Some scattered thunderstorms will develop. You can see the activity moving across the northwestern edge of the area very late in the afternoon. This will pose a threat for some severe weather, perhaps even a tornado threat, as I'll show you here in a second. And then we'll see more storms move over the same area. You can see during the evening hours, one cluster moving basically north of Interstate 30, and we'll see a couple more waves of these thunderstorms move over the same area, part of the region, during the latter stages of the evening. And then we'll start to see a bit of a push to the south and east where the severe weather threat will be possible, but it won't be as high as it will be across the northern sections of the area earlier Tuesday night. So here we are Wednesday morning, 6 a.m. You can see the focus for the showers and thunderstorms Wednesday will continue to be mainly in East Texas, Northwest Louisiana, and the eastern sections of Southwest Arkansas. We will continue to see periods of rain move across mainly the southeastern half of the area as we go through a Wednesday evening. And Thursday, that decent chance for the rain will continue mainly over the south and eastern sections of the area. So tomorrow, basically tomorrow afternoon, late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, northwestern half of the area, and then for basically Wednesday and Thursday, southeastern half of the area is where the main focus of the rain will shift. Now, as far as the threats that we're looking at, one will be the possibility of some tornadoes. You could see some rather extreme rotation potential here, some rather strong rotating updrafts indicated here north of Interstate 30 in that moderate risk area. So that's going to be the zone that we'll be watching closely. Then as we head into Wednesday morning, a few of these storms could be rotating, but the atmosphere will be much more basically less unstable, if you will. These storms probably going to be a little bit more elevated. So again, even though some severe tornadic activity possible, that threat will be decreasing for Wednesday. In fact, the latest outlook for Wednesday shows just a marginal risk for mainly the southeastern sections of the region the way it looks right now. Now, as far as rainfall potential, show you the next 2 days, first of all, from Futurecast. You can see it does show the potential of a swath with those stronger thunderstorms of 2-3 inches over the northwestern edge of the area. Amounts of the next 2 days will be quite a bit less further to the south and east, but if you factor in the rain that's on the way after this run of Futurecast, basically Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, and possibly parts of Easter weekend, we are going to be looking at rainfall totals that will be heaviest over the southeastern sections of the region. Now, some of the model blends not as bullish on the rain over the north, but you can see the rainfall potential will shift to the south heading into the last half of the week, where 2 to 4 inches of rain will be a possibility. Longer range, take a look at the pattern and look ahead to Easter weekend. What's going to be happening is we're going to be watching a disturbance which will be moving through the region here as we go forward. That disturbance will bring us the shot for the showers and thunderstorms here as we progress our way into basically the chance of rain will decrease heading into the weekend. As you can see, that upper level disturbance, this is what's going to bring the severe weather threat for basically tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. That pushes out. We continue with the rain, basically just rain for the end of the week. And then notice the rain shifts a bit more to the south for Saturday and perhaps Easter Sunday. And then heading into Monday, we could see another shot for some rain. Some models, a little bit variation on the timing, so you'll see a chance of rain pretty much each and every day through Monday, although we're not quite set in stone as far as the extent of that threat for Easter weekend. So a forecast for tonight, expect the clouds to increase across the Arklatex. Temperatures will be warm for this time of year as we'll settle into the 60s and low 70s, right around 70 tonight in Shreveport, 67 in Texarkana, 69 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, another very warm day. Thunderstorms late over the northwestern edge of the area. That's a possibility, not set in stone. Better chances for those stronger storms will be tomorrow evening, as we'll see highs ranging from the middle 80s north to the upper 80s south. 89 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana, 87 degrees in Shreveport, 83 for the high temperature in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that behind the system we will cool off dramatically heading into the end of the work week, as daytime highs for Thursday and Friday will be in the 50s and low 60s. Lows will be in the low 50s. Notice the rainfall chances on the decrease here heading into the weekend. There is some signs of another disturbance either Sunday, Sunday night, or Monday. We'll be watching that closely. The good news is we'll see several days of dry weather for the middle part of next week with another warming trend, as again we'll climb from the low 60s Thursday and Friday back to the middle 80s by the middle part of next week. So again, severe weather looking promising once again for the northern sections of the Arklatex. Several tornadoes will be possible. Also looking at the potential obviously for some damaging winds. The main threat will be over the north, but that threat could shift to the south as we go into Wednesday morning.